Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the fundamentals. Ensure the exact endpoint and HTTP method match the API docs. Next, inspect the authorization header and make sure you use the right scheme, for example bearer versus basic, because the wrong scheme yields 401 immediately. Also check the token structure and expiration. If the token is expired or malformed, request a fresh token from the authentication server. Once done, move into Postman's Request tab and prepare headers and body for the next step. Now dig into details. Paste the token into the authorization header as bearer space token. Small typos or extra spaces break validation. Make sure content type and accept match what the API expects because some servers gate auth by content negotiation. If the API uses custom headers, add them exactly. Use the Postman console to capture the raw outgoing request and the server's response. The console reveals header mismatches or redirect loops that cause 401. If you see 401 with www authenticate, read that header for clues. To finish, run the token refresh flow or generate new credentials, then retry the request in Postman. If problems persist, reproduce the request with curl or a different client to determine whether Postman is the issue. Also verify server clock drift and token issuance times, required scopes or roles embedded in the token, and any IP allow list or rate limit that could return 401. One key troubleshooting tip. Enable full request/response logs on the auth server or review the www authenticate header for the precise authentication problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.